खामोश है ये समा प्यार है।
ओ
चांद छुपा बादल में। That's it.
Pause करने मुंह बंद करने
ઓકે તો આ મારી પાસે તો બંધ છે અમે અમારા ગ્રુપમાં ઓલરેડી રમેલા છીએ બધી ઉભો રે કોને આપે છે ઉભો રે પહેલા તો કોને આપે છે
યોગેશભાઈ તમારે એક વર્ડ આપું છે એના પરથી સોંગ ગાવાનું છે કે સોંગ માં વર્ડ આવવો જોઈએ
અને તમે બે સેપરેટ હે કારણ કે તમને બેને તો આવડતા જ બધા
દિયા કે દીપ
दिया के दीप। अच्छा
એના પરથી સોંગ
दिया से गाना है।
યોગેશભાઈ વિચારે છે
No, it has to have diya.
It has diya.
No,
Diya.
not in those terms. It's like the meaning.
Pay attention. Bye.
યોગેશભાઈ
Diya.
दिया जले जहाँ जले.
But जिया जले.
No, it's.
દિયા જલે
दिया जले.
I was just trying.
Oh, that one.
કયું કયો છો યોગેશભાઈ આજે વિચારે છે
સ્પેસિફિક ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો તારો
Yeah, I'm surprised I don't know a song with diya. That's such a common word.
कहीं दी
What's that song from Devdas?
There you go. I was thinking that too, but it doesn't have diya.
It's a deep or diya. Anything.
દીપ ઓર દિયા either way યોગેશભાઈ ગાતું I think
या जले या जले.
No,
Hey,
That's a good
it's not diya. It's jiya jale, ja jale.
મારો અવાજ નથી આવતો
આમ શું ગાય છે બસ ખબર જ પડતી કहीं दीप जले
What? You sang one earlier. That one works.
What's that one from Devdas?
No, that's silsila ye chahat ka. It doesn't have diya in it.
દિયા વર્ડ તો હોય ને
I'm
એમાં
thinking that too.
Diya is just Diya.
દિયા પરથી દિયા કે દીપ ના પણ મામાને આવ્યું છે.
Diya diya oh diya diya.
ગાય છે કે નહીં યોગેશભાઈ
ગાયું ને પણ
શું ગાયું
कहीं दीप
कहीं
जले,
दीप जले कहीं दिल जरा सामने आ
आगे पूरा तो गाइए.
कहीं दीप जले,
आगे तो
कहीं
नहीं।
दिल
અનીશ તને આપ્યું સાંજ
देख ले आकर पर
मम्मी एक मिनट है
पापा ने
અનીશ અરે અનીશ તને સાંજ સાંજ
चांद
સાંજ સાંજ સાંજ
ઇવનિંગ ઇવનિંગ
ઇવનિંગ ઇવનિંગ
सांझ
Sponge.
शाम.
That's hard to think of a song.
સાંજ કે તો શામ
Let me. Hold on. I want to have something else. Okay,
Stop.
let me search. I want to
Okay, but don't search here. Search in Google because don't go on.
I don't want to go.
सांझ और सांझ.
શામ કે તો સાંજ
મને આવડે છે સાંજ
I'm thinking शाम की सांझ.
કે વર્ષાબેન તમે ટ્રાય કરો
સાંજ શામ ઢલે ખિડકી તલે તુમ सीटी बजाना छोड़ दो
That's the one I was thinking. Yeah, good job.
I was thinking Ye Sham Mastani.
Oh, that's good.
That's a good one.
કે હવે નિર્મલ ને જીવન
जीवन.
Yeah. બહુ ફેમસ છે આ પણ જૂનું
જૂનું હોય તો કદાચ મને નહીં પડે બહુ જ જૂનું હશે તો ના ના જીવન માં જિંદગી
Jeevan.
જીવન સરસ સોંગ છે
રુચિને પણ નથી આવડતું
રીના બોલી ગઈ રીના બોલી મને ખ્યાલ આવ્યો એ સોંગ વિચારતો હતો હું
जीवन के तो जीना के
जीवन जीवन
Jeevan.
ये जीवन है
मेरे जीवन.
oh
इस
yeah
जीवन का
yeah he to something right
that was a nice song
yeah
જીવન પરથી બીજા પણ ઘણા છે રીના બોલી રહી હતી રીના બોલ તું કયું કહેતી હતી
मेरे जीवन साथी यार की जान something उसमें तो था
जवानी दीवानी
चलो एक रीना ने वर्ड आप
खूबसूरत
वादा।
जिद्दी पड़ोसन
वादा रहा सनम होगे जुदा ना हम चाहे न चाहे समाना वादा करो कभी छोड़ोगे ना मेरा साथ जहाँ तुम
वहाँ मैं भी हूँ.
ઓકે
આ તો ઈઝી છે બહુ.
હા તો આ ઈઝી વાળું
ના
કોઈને
ના
આપો
easy
જેને
નહીં,
નામ
બીજું લે ને.
એક જ મિનિટ
He's by himself.
રિકિન ને ના રિકિન બાકી છે ને.
રિકિન ફૂલ
Fool. What kind of
Not fool, pool, flower.
Flower.
Fool Kile Fool? There's a song like that.
No, don't make up something.
જૂનું છે ફેમસ સોંગ છે એક જૂનું
It is. It's about your sister.
I'm looking for those.
Oh yeah.
Sing it.
It's Pulo ka taro ka सबका कहना है 1000 मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र के संग
Oh, I'm proud of you.
Wow.
रुचि मोहब्बत मोहब्बत
But there's so many probably.
so many
But now I can't think of a single song. I listen to music all day long. I can't think of a single song.
ये जो मोहब्बत है
ये उनका है काम.
मदहोशी
no
यार
महबूब
सबसे पे सकते हो
जो
तुम
बस लेते हुए नाम
मर
मर
जाए
जाए
मिट
मिट
जाए
जाए
हो
हो
जाए
जाए
बदनाम.
बदनाम
એને તો છોડો
जाने दो यार
નિતેશ
करेंगे प्यार.
આ રુચિએ આ તો સોંગ ગાવું ના જોઈએ હમણાં. ઓકે હવે કોણ રહ્યું? મિતેશ. મિતેશભાઈ તમને ઈઝી છે એકદમ. સાવન.
वो सावन बरसे.
સાવન.
What's that song? Sawan Barse song.
no it's not Savan. You're thinking Mega Barse
ફેમસ સોંગ છે
Mega
સાવન.
No.
There's like a
Savan.
Mika song, if you can think of that one.
yeah I'm thinking of
Deepika?
the same one
Yeah.
Deepika?
Mika.
No, no.
Mika.
Mika?
Yeah, it was like an old indie pop song from the 90s, which was like super popular.
it's like
But I'm
it's
sure
like
there
one
are extra songs with
his
Savan.
iconic song I guess
Sawan.
But I'm sure there are nicer songs with that.
Savan ki
I don't know.
it's Savan from
Savan mein lag gaya.
आग दिल मेरा
I don't know.
song like that
It's a good song.
What's the other song with Sawan Barse with Bipasha?
Savan barse tarse
Barse dil
barkha
na something.
pyasa hai.
Yeah, that's a good song.
યોગેશ તું પતી ગયું કે ભાભી?
Let me listen to Sawan. Hold on.
હવે
યોગેશ તું તારું તો બાકી કે ભાભીનું બાકી?
તારું બાકી.
હા તો ભાભી તમને.
દોસ્તી.
ये दोस्ती
Sawan. See?
I don't know the
બોલો.
same.
Which song?
oh Savan bara Savan
પવન પરથી આ સરસ હતું. હાય હાય કે ये
Wait, sing a different song from Dosti than Ye Dosti, because that's too obvious. I knew you knew that one.
બીજું કોઈ દોસ્તીનું સોંગ આવડે છે?
I don't know any other I can think of.
મને આવડે છે એક.
You do? Dosti.
oh remember there was this song between Saif Ali Khan, Madhuri, and Akshay Kumar, or forgot who the heroine was.
એક આઈ થિંક એમનું નસીબનું હતું, જિંદગી ઇમ્તિહાન લેતી है दोस्ती इम्तिहान लेती है दोस्तों की जान दोस्तों की जान लेती है.
ઓકે ચાલ હવે આ જશ તને રંગ આમાં જ આવશે. પાર્થ તને પ્યાર
મારું પાર્ટનર
પ્યાર પરથી ગીત ગાવ તારે.
ઘણા બધા
प्यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे,
That's yeah.
बिना चैन कहाँ रे, right?
It's a popping song for parts right now.
You guys say pyar, right? That's the keyword?
Comments good.
Am I right?
नहीं message.
टाइगर
Hookah bar.
પ્યાર
Hookah bar.
Someone's missing hookah bar.
ઓકે ફાઇન. હવે વર્ષા બાકી રહી. ચાલ ખાલી
मैं तो गाई दूँ.
ના
She said
અનીશના ટર્નનું બોલેલું.
અનીશ
क्या
અનીશનું તો
अनिश तो तू गावे बाहर.
What's the other one? Dry.
अनिश ने जरा डिफिकल्ट बाहर.
Oh wow.
बाहर नहीं तो बाहर हो.
Paharo.
Anish no turn che. Why is everybody taking his turn away?
I don't even. Okay, that song. I picked that song.
No, come on.
Bahar.
That's
It's not Bahar. Is it the same?
પછી એક ચલો બીજો વર્ડ આપું. નૈન કે તો નૈના.
Nano
Naina like it. Naina me like it.
आगे
Naina me like. It's from Satya, I think.
yeah.
Naina me like it. Jhoot pakad ke. Something from Satya. There's a song from Satya that I remember. That's like Naina me like it. Yeah, that one.
હમણાં ઓલું એક બીજું સારું હતું. નૈના.
Yeah, that's from
That's from that movie, the fight, the boxing movie.
Yeah.
Dangal.
Dangal, yes.
Dangalનું, yeah, that was a nice song.
That's a very good song.
વધારે આવડે, નવા ઓછા આવડે છે.
Okay, when Masano turn and
hasn't gone yet.
મને
oh,
કહ્યું
Nirmal.
No, I went. I was given Jeevan. I couldn't figure out.
કે નિર્મલને બીજો એક વર્ડ આપ.
તો ઊભો રહે, મેં તો બધું મૂકી દીધું.
What the hell is Justin Pod doing in background?
આંખ.
आंखें चाले.
हाँ.
आंखें.
Start thinking.
આંખે ચાલશે.
आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद.
Nice.
दीदार
Kaho.
कैसे कहूँ या प्यार कैसे मोहब्बत है या
No.
हो बन यार कैसे
उनका होता है.
कैसे कहूँ ये प्यार कैसे होता.
ચાલો હવે તમે લોકો
હવે
આપો.
અવનીને એક વર્ડ આપો.
Okay, Masi, I give you one.
બોલ.
I love you.
હે?
I love you.
काटे नहीं कटते दिन ये रहनी थी तुमसे.
Something else, but it's okay.
आज मैं कहती हूँ I love you just
લોકડાઉન નું પરિણામ છે.
I was going to say, अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं I love you.
हम आसान है. आपको चलो हार्ड आपको एकदम.
Hard.
પહાડ આપો પહાડ.
કયું?
Hard.
હા.
પહાડ.
પહાડ.
हाँ पहाड़.
पहाड़ के पर्वत.
हाँ पहाड़.
पर्वत खबर છે. पर्वत के उस
ના પહાડ પરથી ખબર પહાડ.
पहाड़ परથી song નથી આવી.
નથી એટલે પર્વત તો હિન્દી
पर्वत के इस पार झूम उठे हैं छन छन छन
मेरी
छन
पायल की
झनकार. पर्वत के उस पार. पर्वत પરથી બીજા પણ છે બે. બીજો કયો વર્ડ આપવો છે?
પાણી પાણી પર
હા
વોટર પાણી
પાણી.
પાણી પરથી તો કેટલા બધા છે. पानी रे पानी तेरा रंग
કુમાર ને આપ્યું
सा जिसमें मिला दो लगे उस जैसा.
કે એક
Okay, Masa. Masa, I
हाँ.
give you. Khidki.
ખીડ.
Can I sing it?
श्याम डले खिड़की तक
Oh, mom sang that one. again.
Mom sang it. Mom sang it.
हाँ
Khidki, another song.
मेरे साथ.
આવડે છે.
Let me play.
Now it's done. Now he knows. He heard
No, he
it.
doesn't know.
If he sings that song, then he knows.
ये काली काली खिड़की,
કુમી કુમી.
ये गोरे गोरे ग्लास.
No, now he knows because he heard everything.
चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है
નથી એટલે કીધું
तो ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ
Why let's be a spoiler?
रहता
Also,
है.
helping people. People help me.
अच्छा હવે કોને આપું? યોગેશભાઈ ને એક આપું છું વર્ડ. ગોલી.
अखियों से गोली मारे.
हाँ.
Let's Akia say.
કોનું ગાશે ગોલી મારો
भेजे
That's what I was thinking. That's a very famous song.
Part of that song. I'm proud of you.
Shore karta
तेज किसने गा तो मरेगा कल.
Mama,
Mama.
mama.
I can't believe we sang that song.
પછી હવે મિતેશભાઈ ને આપું. મિતેશભાઈ ઘણા ગાતા હતો ને, હવે મિતેશભાઈ ને આપું.
Yeah, thank you.
મોબાઈલ.
Oh, I know.
What's that song with Karishma Kapoor?
Yeah, that's exactly
That's the one I'm thinking.
What is your mobile number? करूँ क्या dial number? करनी है 100 बातें.
private baat.
देखो easy number.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. कहाँ से तू आती है डार्लिंग, कहाँ से
कहाँ
तू
से तू जाती है? आते जाते.
ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाती है.
True. What is your... As, you know the song. You got it.
બીજું
Okay. I'm gonna play a game, okay? It's gonna be quick.
ઓકે.
Did you just delete it?
Don't you?
Okay. So I'm gonna say something in English, and whoever what just happened here? Whoever, I'm gonna look in the phone because I don't know otherwise. Whoever knows the answer has to say their name, and I just say the song in English.
સોંગ ઇન
એટલે ઇંગ્લિશ સોંગ હિન્દી સોંગ છે.
It's gonna be Hindi, but I'm gonna say it in English.
રાઈટ રાઈટ.
ઓકે ઓકે.
Okay, ready? Everyone understands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be all translated into English, but you have to guess it and sing it in Hindi. Okay? The attack of your eyes is like a lion's hunting.
શું છે? The attack of your eyes.
It's like lions hunting.
तेरी अखियों का
Just a shade ka shikar. You get it, right?
हाँ, तेरा प्यार प्यार प्यार.
Pyar hukka baar. I thought Pat would get this.
મને એમ કે
ખબર યા.
ના
Alright, I'm gonna say an easy one, okay? I was passing by. I was eating bhel puri.
નહીં તો ખિડકી રસ્તે से
रास्ते से जा.
बेटी खा रहा था.
Yes. Okay, all right. One hot cup tea and somebody
Garam
to serve
pyari
it.
chaliyo.
Okay, we should not say it because
Why? I'm not reading.
let them say.
ચલી हो
कोई उसको पिलाने
Last wali ho. चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो.
सीने से लगाने वाली हो. Okay, Mama. I'm gonna give it to you. Mama, ready?
हाँ बोल.
मामा लोकांना पूछतात.
When I saw this girl, she seemed to me like a blooming rose.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
हाँ,
जैसे
खिलता गुलाल.
जैसे शायर का ख्वाब, जैसे उजली किरण.
खिलता गुलाब जैसे
जैसे उजली किरण जैसे वन में हिरन.
चल बीजू पूछ.
पूछो जो भी ना.
ट्रैफिक का कार जैसे.
Okay, this one is fun, okay? Whenever I see a girl, my heart says, hail, 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 hail. I sing song and dance
I know
slowly,
this.
slowly. Hail, 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 hail.
Hill, like Hill.
Hail, like hail.
Oh, hail.
Yeah. Whenever I see a girl, my crazy heart says, hail, 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 hail. I sing song and dance slowly, slowly. Hail, hail, hail.
हाँ आवड़ी गया.
जब भी कोई
जब भी
लड़की
कोई
देखे मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले.
ओले ओले
Ole, ole.
I guess ole means hail. I don't know.
Okay. All right. Okay, this one is fun. Mama ne kata I don't know. Bunch of tamarinds, trees of berries. Tamarind is sour, berry sweet. In this jungle, we are two lions.
આને કોઈને ટ્રાય કરવા દેવો પછી ના આવડે તો અમને આવડે.
मामाने आप.
Let's walk home quickly. We've gotten late.
चल योगेश.
I know also.
चल योगेश.
Pachu bolo, Mama.
Pachu. चल योगेश.
No one say.
There's
Mama,
only
Pachu
one
bolo.
song you can think of with
Bunch-
this word in it,
Bunch
right?
of tamarinds, tree of berries. Tamarind is sour, berry sweet. In this jungle, we are two lions. Let's walk home quickly. We have gotten late.
खट्टी
मीठे
मीठे
में
में इस जंगल में हम दो
हम दो शेर, चल भाई जल्दी हो गई देर.
मम्मी ने आप.
ના ના તમે લોકો કરો ને હું સાંભળું છું.
Okay, next one. Okay, this is very easy. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Face is so innocent. Cuckoo,
You missed
cuckoo,
the first
cuckoo, cuckoo. Oh shoot! Sorry, I missed the first line. If I say the first line, they know it. Your voice is like koyo. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
कोयल सी
कोयल
तेरी बोली.
Tunununu. Mummy, mummy aata na awaaz se.
Next one. Keep it.
Okay, fine. I'll skip it. This one is hard. I'm not gonna say it.
Do the hard one.
Really? Even I don't know it.
No, do it. We might.
No, it's like 70s.
Super old. Okay, this one is good one. This is an old one, but I know this song. Okay, ready? This is the tough one.
No, it's not tough.
Okay. Be it mirror or heart, it eventually breaks down. Before reaching the laboratory, the sea slips from hand. Okay,
Go ahead,
Master.
Master.
Shisha ho ya
આખી
टूट जाता है.
નોલેજ સારું છે દીપ્તિનું.
Okay, Nirmal, this is for you and Ruchi.
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Ruchi, help him. Okay?
Come, go, evening is about to come. Climate has stretched and twisted its body. Then what is the fight about? You go, I came. No, you go, I come.
Oh.
जाती हूँ मैं जल्दी है क्या?
No.
No, it's the Salman Khan song, right?
Yes.
Okay, Salman Khan and
Should
Pakistan.
I say the whole thing again?
I think I know.
Yeah.
Repeat.
Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Come, go, evening is about to come. Climate has stretched and twisted his body. Then what is the fight about? You go, I come. No, you go, I come.
Yeah. आजा शाम
होने आई.
मौसम
Yeah, that was good.
की अंगड़ाई something
चल. Okay,
मैं
आजा शाम होने आई, मौसम ने ली अंगड़ाई. आजा शाम होने आई, मौसम ने ली. तो किस बात की है लड़ाई,
तू
तू
चल
चल मैं आई. Okay, Anish, this one is for you. Okay, wait.
इसने કોઈ મેડિકલ પ્રોફેશન નું આપજે.
અનીશ
वो नहीं song हुए हुआ तो
મિસ કરે છે.
हाँ
I'm trying to find your easy one, Anish.
કરે છે કે હોત તો આન્સર આપત.
Okay, Anish, I don't know if you're going to know this, okay?
This is for everybody.
This is for everyone. I don't know if it's for Anish because
It's tough. No, give
this
that
one
one.
is tough. Okay.
Give this one.
Corner, spinning wheels turn. Corner, spinning wheels turn. Your Oni Bonnie friendship under draft berries. You know, Ricky?
No.
No one knows this.
This one's a little tough.
Corner.
પાછું બોલ.
Okay, I'll say it again.
I think I know it.
Okay, I think you know it.
પાછું બોલ.
Corner, spinning wheels turn. Corner.
આવડી બોલું?
Huh?
yeah go.
બીજા કોઈને ટ્રાય કરવી હોય તો કર, મને આવડે છે.
Okay, let me say the whole thing again.
Okay.
Corner, spinning wheels turn. Corner, spinning wheels turn. Your Oni Bonnie friendship under draft berries.
I can't think of it.
All right, we'll give it to Kumar Masa.
ચપ્પા ચપ્પા ચરખા ચલે, ચપ્પા ચપ્પા ચરખા ચલે, કોની બોની.
Funny, yeah.
Okay, Anish, this one is for you. Ready?
Oh, this is easy.
This one's easy, Anish. Okay. You became 1 to 2. Oh, girl, what to do? Oh, you became the guys. Tu-tu-tu-ru-tu-ru-ru-ru-ru.
Wait, one more time.
You became 1 to 2. Oh, girl, what to do? Oh, you became the guys. Tu-tu-ru-ru-ru-ru-ru-ru-ru-ru.
આ છોકરાઓ ટ્રાય કરવાનું વિચારે છે.
આના પછી જસ્ટ પાર્ટ ને આપજે.
Okay, I have to find an easy one.
I'm trying to think. I don't know some of these songs. I've forgotten a lot, I guess.
Anybody knows it?
Oh.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's from a movie, Queen.
Queen.
Wait, is that the Kangna Ranaut one?
Yeah.
I haven't even. I've just seen the trailer. I'm trying to remember the song.
You haven't seen Queen? You have to watch Queen.
No, I haven't seen. I just seen the trailer for it.
Such a good movie. You have to watch it. What is this song?
What's the song? I don't know.
Okay, I'll sing it. Tu ho gai 1 2 2.
Oh yeah. Okay, now okay.
Tu-ru-ru-ru-ru.
Oh, goody picture can
Yeah.
yeah.
Josh and Mark, this one is for you.
This is a good one for Josh and Parth.
Okay, ready? Okay. Heart burns, life burns. Under my eyes, smoke walks. All night long, smoke walks. I don't know. Oh, friend Ray.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can you go again?
Okay, let me say it again. Heart burns, life burns. Under my eyes, smoke walks. All night long, smoke walks. I don't know. Oh, friend Ray.
I got it.
That's the one. You said heart, right? You said heartburn.
Heart. Dil.
Heart,
burn.
yeah.
It starts with the lamp.
Lamp. You said.
Yeah, he's right.
You said dill. Oh, you said heart.
No. Heart. Dil. Okay, I'll give you the first word. It's Gia. Yeah, that's right.
You said eyes.
धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना चले.
Nice. Good job.
Okay, Masa and Mama, this is between you two. Okay, or Mummy. Listen, sir, listen. Tune of love. Oh, I have chosen you. You better choose me too.
That's a good one.
શું પાછું કે
Listen, sir, listen. Tune of love. Oh, I have chosen you. You
આવડે
better
છે.
choose me too.
આવડે છે યોગેશ મને આવડે છે.
I also know.
વર્ષા તું ટ્રાય કર.
हाँ.
પાછું યોગેશભાઈ ને પાછી હિન્ટ આપ.
Oh, shit. Okay, wait. Let me go back. I went to the next page. Okay, Mama. Mama, I'm going to go slow if you want. Look. Listen, sir. Listen. Tune of love. Oh, I have chosen you. You better choose me too.
तू भी मुझे चुन चुन चुन
चुन साहिबा सर.
Oh, प्यार की धुन मैंने तुझे चुन लिया तू भी मुझे It's the same thing. You guys want to continue or you done?
Oh.
We have to take an ice cream break actually.
Damn, it's too late to eat ice cream.
Cookies and cream.
Ricky ને આપે એક.
हाँ, Ricky ने.
નેક્સ્ટ વીક કન્ટિન્યુ કરશું.
Yeah, we'll
Ricky ને આપ.
પણ બધા
Guys, we will leave.
You guys continue.
Okay.
Good night. Bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, I'm
Bye.
on the next line too, guys. Next week we'll continue.
કન્ટિન્યુ કરશું. તમને
Ricky, I'm going to give this to you. You know this song,
Right.
Ricky. You ready?
Yeah.
With cold, cold water, you should have a bath. Whether you know how to sing or not, you should sing a song.
Nana, I to Gana,
What? What?
right? That's the song.
नहाना आए तो.
No.
गाना चाहिए.
Gana, I to
नहाना आए तो गाना चाहिए.
No, listen to this English and I translate into Hindi. With
That's
cold,
not-
cold water, you should bath.
ठीक है.
Na, Thande Thande Pani se Nana. So what? I sang that already.
You're saying na 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 na.
No, I said.
No, he sang the right song. He just like there's another word.
કેમ કે નાના આય
Oh, wait, Anish, Anish.
नहाना आए तो गाना
Gana
चाहिए.
चाहिए. Oh,
Gana,
Gana,
I
it's
to
Gana चाहिए. Oh,
गाना आए.
oh, Nana चाहिए.
નાના चाहिए.
No, I'm confused. I thought I knew the song.
गाना आए या ना आए,
એ
will be
ગાના
गाना.
गाना चाहिए, right? Yeah.
ગાના છે.
Yeah. Should I go on? I don't know.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's enough.
પૂછી લોકા.
ના કીધું ને એને.
એને કીધું આઈસ્ક્રીમ બ્રેક લે છે.
પછી એને
અચ્છા,
કીધું કે
okay.
નીકળીશ.
Yeah, it's okay.
Anish also left.
Anish left, yeah.
અનીશને તો ઓલરેડી હા એને જવું.
चल હવે
તારે કન્ટિન્યુ કરવું હોય તો કર.
WhatsApp ઉપર કાલે રમી.
હવે ક્રીના મિતેશભાઈ ના આપ.
Nitesh ne.
મિતેશને આપણે આપને.
ના ના એ જ આપશે ને.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, Mitesh, ready? Drip, drip fell the water, and it kindled a fire. And when the
Tip
hot
tip बरसा पानी, पानी में आग लगाई. Right?
Mama,
You
this
can
is for you.
hard one.
Mama, this one is for you. Black goggles on a white face. May God have mercy. What a miracle! What a miracle!
ગરે ગરે
Mom. Mama.
No, do
That's
harder
good song.
ones. Don't
ભાભી ભાભીને આવડે છે બધા યોગેશભાઈ નતા આવડતા.
You wanna
That was
try
a good
one?
video, by the way. If you look at the video of that song, it's a funny video.
I have to watch it. I haven't seen it in probably years.
It's Akshay Kumar with he's a doorman, and that's where the song starts.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a funny video.
ઓકે ક્રીના તારા માટે ચલ.
જોઈશું પણ ખબર છે ને.
અહીં આવશે ને? Answer આવશે.
ના
ચલ ક્રીના તને આપ્યો.
हाँ बोल.
એટલે માસા બોલે છે.
fill my heart hair parting. Do your love to me. Make body meet body.
Oh my God. Baro प्यार मुझे करो.
What?
Baro मांग मेरी baro, right? Okay, with that mama nahi kapu. Mama ready?
Oh my God.
I wasn't gonna give it, right? Okay, now I have to. Mama, abe aata me sing kar. Okay, no one else. Mommy, don't say anything. Mama, ready? What's behind the blouse? What's under the scarf? Hey, oh, my heart in the blouse. My heart in the scarf.
Easy है तो.
Mama, what's behind the blouse? Behind the blouse. What's under the scarf? Under the scarf. No, mommy, no.
योगेश भाई actually सवाल पूछे थे मामी ने.
Ah. Come on, Mama. This one was easy. Josh, do you know this song? Josh.
Just doesn't know.
What's behind the blouse? What's under the scarf? Oh, my heart is in the blouse. My heart is in the scarf. The heart, I'll give it to my boyfriend, my love.
I don't know what that is.
These guys are painting.
चोली के पीछे क्या है?
Yeah.
चोली में दिल है मेरा.
पीछे क्या है छोली के पीछे.
Yep.
All right, let's continue next week. Everybody yawning.
Next week बढ़िया. Okay.
Okay, bye everyone.
चलो bye जय शुक्ला. Bye जय शुक्ला.
Bye.
Bye बेटा.
Next Saturday.
So we might have another one.
Yeah, we'll
Saturday we
next Saturday.
Why?